Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium grey. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the Kombi sits on a set of 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design. The vehicle also comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate without a window. Helping you park and manoeuvre, there is a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area now, we'll find an excellent amount of storage space. The sides have been ply lined and the floor is lined with a rubber floor covering as well as having a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. There is a 3-seater bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. All the seats have ISOFIX points and there's a step on the side allowing easy access. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests each. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the bricks woven cloth interior fabric upholstery. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that includes DAB as well as App Connect or Android Auto. The vehicle also comes with climatic air conditioning and the driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used T32 Kombi Highline. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.